Multiplying pairs of fractions. Let's learn how to multiply two fractions together. I had a cake for my birthday and I have 3/4 left. I want to take half of my leftover cake to school today, so I need to figure out what 1/2 of 3/4 is. This is the same as multiplying 3/4 by a half. To multiply two fractions together, we multiply the numerators and the denominators together. First, we multiply the numerators. 3 times 1 equals 3. Then we multiply the denominators. 4 times 2 equals 8. 3/4 times 1/2 equals 3/8. Now it's time for a practice question. James is learning to multiply fractions. He is calculating 5/8 times 1/3. He's drawn a diagram to help. To work this out, we need to multiply 5/8 by 1/3. To multiply two fractions, we multiply the numerators together, and then the denominators. First, we multiply the numerators. 5 times 1 equals 5. Then we multiply the denominators. 8 times 3 equals 24. 5/8 times 1/3 equals 5 over 24. The correct answer is 5 over 24. And that's how we multiply fractions. Always remember to multiply both the numerator and the denominator. Why not try some practice questions now?